Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. What's up? What do you do? I hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video, I will be doing this makeup look. I got some new products that I wanted to try out, new combinations and whatnot. I also got some new scents from Dossier. So I got the Armani C or Psy, however you pronounce it, inspired scent, and then I also got the Chocolate Rouge 540 inspired perfume as well. This is called Ambre Saffron and this is called Woody Fresia. I am wearing the Woody Fresia today, so basically the Armani Psy and or SIC, whatever. I don't really know how you want to pronounce it, but so I got this on today. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get cute. Okay, so I primed my eyes and I'm feeling very colorful today. Not colorful, but I wanted to do some color. So I have my Juvia's Place palettes here. You guys know I love these for pigments and colors and whatnot. So I'm gonna take the orange in the Zulu palette, which is this one right here. I'm just gonna take that on a fluffy blending brush. And I'm just gonna start putting that on my crease. Oh, I'm feeling colorful because of my nails. That's what it is. I was like, why am I feeling so colorful? Because of my nails, child. Like that. How cute is that? Period. So then I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to take the yellow in the palette, in the same palette. I'm going to pick this yellow up and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. I love it. I love it. I think orange and yellow is like one of my many favorite color combinations in anything, but especially in eyeshadow, like, or like makeup wise. Like, I love this combination. It looks so nice. Probably because I love sunsets, sunrise, and this is exactly what this reminds me of. So I just put some of that orange eyeshadow right here, kind of to act as a liner sort of type of thing. Not really sure how I feel about it just yet, but it's cute. I think it's cute. For my face, I have some new complexion products that I want to try out from OFRA Beauty. And also, I got this new Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. So, this is, by the way, a new one. This is the Vitamin C Cactus Flower Water. The first thing I'm going to do is my OFRA Cosmetics Corrector Wheel. I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to dip into the contour shade. I'm not priming or anything like that, because I just don't feel like doing that right now. Okay, so we're up close and personal. I haven't done this in a minute. I'm just gonna take my Sigma corrector, dark to deep, a little bit under my eyes, and I'm literally using this as a corrector now, not as a concealer. So then I'm gonna take my concealer blending brush. I did a new skincare routine today. Well, the routine is the same, but I used some new skincare products today from Dermalogica. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me because the reels will be up there. And baby, when I tell you my skin loves those products, like, my skin is living right now. This is the UOMA Beauty Stay Woke Brightening Concealer, and I am in the shade, I'm in the shade Brown Sugar. I tried this. I think it might be a little bit yellow or like too warm, but at the same time, I think it'll be perfect. Or is it maybe too, or I don't know. I don't want to say it's too anything. I just want to like let it do its thing, you know? But I'm just gonna put, I feel like it looks a lot like a corrector. So they also sent me the Say What Weightless Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation, and they sent me the shade Brown Sugar as well. So let's try that and see. I love the packaging. The packaging is so cute. I don't know if the foundation matches me or not, but we're gonna see that right now. So I'm just gonna take a pump in the back of my, ooh, that's very liquidy. That is a very liquidy. Hold on. Okay, wait, it's very, ooh, it's like very liquidy, but let's try it. Let's try this. Maybe that's the point. I don't know that. Because even after shaking it, it was runny. And I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. Like, it looks very orange when I apply it on, but when I blend it out, it looks good. I'm in love. I feel like I really look so awake. And the foundation, like, I don't really know how to feel about it. It does not look bad at all, and it looks like it's a nice shade match. Hopefully it doesn't oxidize throughout the day. Okay, so before I set my face, I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour my nose as well. So I'm gonna dip back into the cosmetics, the OFRA Cosmetics corrector wheel. I have a hair right here and a smaller brush. I'm just going to taking my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm taking this one because it's really yellow, and I think it'll complement the yellow in the concealer. Yeah, I definitely just didn't shake it up enough because the foundation is not that runny on my hand anymore. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm just gonna apply it where I applied it earlier. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to go in with a lighter, brighter concealer, or maybe just a little bit more concealer. I'm gonna take a little bit more of this concealer just right here, and then I never really wear this much product on my skin, but so then I'm gonna take a little bit of the OFRA Cosmetics foundation. This is in the shade 720, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on a flat brush, and I'm gonna put that on top of this concealer like that, and then I'm gonna start blending it out. I don't know what made me want full coverage look today, because this is what this is giving. It's lightweight because it really feels very light on my skin, everything, but it's very much full coverage, this look, because I'm applying a lot of product compared to what I normally apply. Okay, so then we're going in with the Sacha Buttercup powder, and we're going to set our under eyes. Then I go in with a different brush, a fluffier brush, and I just dust off all the excess powder that is on my face. So, okay, I know I've used this in the last 2-3 videos, but don't judge me, I really enjoy this palette. So I'm gonna bronze with this shade and I'm gonna contour with this. This is the Pixie Shapeshifter palette Sculptor. I'm just gonna go quickly over my contour with this shade right here, over my contour with this shade, and then I'm gonna bronze my face with this shade. So first things first is the contour. So I like to go with this brush, just a little bit, pat it on right on top of the contour. So then we go in with my bronzer brush and my bronzer shade, and we just go right on top there. Okay, so then I take my nose contour brush and I'm just going to I put my lashes on. Again, this is a new pair of lashes and I don't understand why they look so different. Like, I don't get it. But I'm trying not to get too caught up in the fact that they don't look the same. So I got two lip liners from UOMA Beauty, and this is Simone, and then we have Davis, Simone Davis. Davis is a little bit lighter than Simone. Simone is like a tad bit darker. They are both brown lip liners. I am going to take Davis and I'm going to line my lips with that. It is very, very creamy. I like that. Oh, and I got lash glue on my lashes. I mean, on my lash line. On my lid, whatever. I'm just waiting for it to dry. I'm waiting for that little glue thing to dry so I can peel it off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take back in with my corrector wheel, and then I'm going to take a lip brush, and I'm just gonna take my concealer shade. Very, very white, but don't worry, because we're gonna go back in with the lip liner. And we're just gonna go over. We're gonna go in with the Hustle Galore lip gloss and Rich Glow. It's just a clear gloss. And actually, you know what? I don't want to do that because I don't want to dirty the wand of this. So let me go get another clear gloss. So this one is from Savage, and this one is already like dirty with brown because I always use this when I have lipstick on. Oh my god, I forgot to spray setting spray on my face. So I'm taking the new All Nighter Vitamin C setting spray from Urban Decay. This feels so refreshing and it smells so good. So the highlighter that I decided to go with today is actually a very, very, very old product, but it's like so dear to my heart, and it is the MAC Global Glow. The reason why this is so dear to my heart is because this is literally the first highlighter I ever purchased when I decided to start doing makeup. And it's just been like a ride or die all-time favorite ever since, you know? So I'm just gonna put that on the high points of my cheeks, my cheekbones. Like, come on now, like this never ever ever disappoints. Like, if you don't know what to go with when it comes to your highlighter, like this will always just be a safe, very, very safe go-to, and I love that. Listen, I don't know what I did to my hair, I don't know what I did to my edges. Just know that if it was a different day, I would probably tighten my bun and it would be like a way slicker look. But today, baby, today's not that day. Today's really not that day. So to end off today's video, we are going to be smelling some new scents from Dossier. So the first perfume we're going to talk about is the Ambery Saffron, which is this one right here. You guys know I love the aesthetic of the Dossier perfumes. Like, we don't even have to talk about that. We all know I love it. So this one is inspired by, is Merci en Français or something like that. I don't really know how to pronounce it, or just Mansion Francis, I don't know, from Baccarat Rouge 540. So the top notes are saffron, orange blossom, the middle notes are jasmine, plum, and cedarwood, and the base notes are oak moss, fir balsam, and amber. Ooh, it smells, I feel like this might be a little bit of a heavier perfume. It smells really, really good. This is like an evening scent. I will use this during summer. I will use this transitioning to fall, because why not? Okay, so the next perfume that we have, I've already smelled the one that it's inspired by like previously years ago, but I remember the smell because my best friend actually loves this perfume and she has this one. So this is the Woody Fresia. This one is inspired by the Armani C or Psy, however you want to pronounce it. It has a concentration of 15%, and let's read the notes. Freesia, blackcurrant, strawberry. The middle notes are rose, jasmine, and peach, and the base notes are patchouli, vanilla, blonde woods, and musk. I know that the notes that stand out to me are probably the vanilla, the strawberry, and the rose. So from the top notes we have the strawberry, from the middle notes we have the rose, and from the base notes we have the vanilla. That's kind of the main three notes that I smell a lot in this perfume. Now I don't know how it settles throughout the day, but let's just smell it. And this smells exactly like the original one. Like it smells exactly like the one from Armani. Like I smell this and this smells like my best friend, because she loves that perfume. Baby, this one smells really, really good. I think this is a very summery scent. I think I would wear this throughout the day. Actually, I don't think I would wear this at nighttime. It's not too light for the nighttime, but I feel like I would definitely spray this on during the daytime. Like I'll get ready and I'm about to go to brunch or whatever, I'll definitely spray this on. And this smells so good. It smells very, very expensive. I'm going to go in with the Woody Fresia for today. So the one that's inspired by Armani C perfume. And I'm just gonna spray that right here. Dab, dab, dab. This smells very, very good. It smells very, very good. And then here I will have a discount code for you guys in the description box down below, as well as direct links to every single product that I used in this video and also to the perfumes. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post any video. Bye!